Good morning. I want to show you the circular garden. This is one we've been working on for a few days. We're just finishing the last bits of gravel, different types of gravel. We've got a fine gravel here, this central area, slightly larger gravel here, sort of a casual walkway between the plants. And we got the, what I call the beachy pebble, but it's like a drainage stone, lovely blues and stuff. Look at this garden now, we're just final touches on a Saturday afternoon. Yellow limestone patio, vintage tan door. Some circles. Still have some stepping stones to go through this area here, down here. There we go. In at the end. Very little planting. They really didn't want much planting. Some lavenders, some heathers, a maple, African lily, Japanese, Japanese maple, diorama, fisherman's rod, miscanthus there, and anemone, another African lily, Russian sage, fern, very little planting, purple sedum, got a viburnum, and this one, can't remember the name, winter flowering, hellebore, this one is. Here we go. So, Saturday afternoon, garden looking good. Okay, on to the next one. This is the circular garden. Look at that. Ooh, client just loves the shapes and curves. Hard to see with the sunlight, but vintage tan door yellow patio. Lovely curve on it, full circle for the centre area. Low maintenance. Nearly no maintenance now, I mean that. You go around nipping a few plants. You just walk down through the plants like different pebbles and gravels. Lovely little sunken sitting area here. Put a bench in there. That'd be nice. The garden shed is the other one. This wall was original. We just revamped this garden. Well, full revamp. Let's get up there. Let's see everything. There we go. Little ducks. Cool little ducks. Saturday. Okay, on to the next garden. We are grouting in Harl's Cross Garden. We're grouting that Sanaya Pearl patio, and then we're going to go to a very exciting project. We're doing a favour for somebody, I'm calling it Field of Dreams. We're going to grout their patio, then we're going to look at their lawn. So Field of Dreams, future future Irish rugby player. There we go. Say goodbye from Templogue. All right.